back to another video, TR Racing. Well, we've got heaps of new subscribers lately. We can't believe it, like, just been hustling, eh? So, welcome to our channel if you're new. We've got our race car motor here. It's in pieces and we're just pulling valves out at the moment. And we've got one bent valve we've found so far and a few seats are damaged. So we're just going through and marking them up and hopefully just have to buy one new valve. The seats aren't too bad, but yeah, so we just pulled a couple out already. We've just got one to go, and what we're going to do right now, so stay tuned and we'll drop it out. Got this awesome tool thanks to Dean for letting us borrow it.
Yep, I'll close mine down.
Happy as?
Nah, yep, we're good.
Can't see. Just push down on that there. Bring the camera over here. Can't see it from there. On here. So I've just taken these keepers out, and now we'll untension the spring. Pull that out, and there's our spring. Push the valve out. Look at that. We've noticed it's very dirty, but on the seating edge it's not bad at all. Let's bring the camera around here. As you can see, we're just going through and looking. This cylinder's had something go through it, some metal, and also this cylinder, so we're just checking out the damage. You can see on the edge here there's a bit of a damage from something, but the seat's actually not damaged, and the compression test showed that. So yeah.
So your update wise, got all the valves, inlet and exhaust out of cylinder 6, so the larger one being the inlet side, and you can see the actual nice shiny seat there on the inlet. They need a clean up. The tune that was on this engine was a real basic running tune, and the guy was driving around like an idiot and wrecked the engine, so that's why it's all apart, and that's why we're working on it today, Ruben and I. But it's awesome to have you guys following us anyway and keeping us on our toes of all your comments and questions, and plenty of feedback from the local heroes. Mike, Diesel and Turbo, always testing our abilities and telling us to check certain things, but appreciate it, Mike. It's awesome, man. Yeah, as you can see, there is some damage that Ruben did point out. Not too sure how flash it's coming up, but you can see the shiny. We're just going to try and file out very carefully the shiny. There's no damage to the actual seat, which is the next part in, so that's really good. We'll get that all cleaned up and use a couple of cans of brake clean if need be and get it looking perfect. But yeah, cylinder 4 was the one that had the compression issue, so we've pulled out the exhaust valves, and we actually found quite a bit of gunk in between where the seat will close and the top of the valve, so that will actually cause an issue there with compression. So that was a really good find, thanks to the man behind the camera, Mr. Ruben. So we'll move on to cylinder 1. Cylinder 1 was exceptionally dirty. We've cleaned it up a bit just with the small screwdriver set, just getting the seat cleaned out of gunk, and there was a huge amount of carbon built up on the inlet valve. Didn't actually capture that on camera, but we've already flicked that off. But you can see by the look of the valve color there, if you can pick that up, trying to hold in the sun, you can see that there's no actual damage to the valve itself. It's just super dirty, and the valve should look like what cylinder 5 is looking like, you know, nice color really. But yeah, there's definitely some leaning issues or fueling issues while this guy was driving it around. So we're here to fix his fuck ups, if I'm allowed to say that.
Too late.
Of course I am. It's our channel, not yours. So yeah, Stay tuned, guys. Again, thanks very much for the support. It's been wicked. As you can see, the subscribers are going up fast, and we've got plenty of awesome guys that are also hosting channels, and we're buying merch off guys. We're also going to be selling some soon too, so stay tuned for some wicked TR Racing shirts and hats, and we're going to get some stickers out there for some fans. They're screaming out for them. We'll give you an update on that soon. Cheers, guys.
Yeah.